Hi guys, class 6, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and a very good morning. And I hope you've had your breakfast and all and you're ready to study. Not study, just listen to me and jot down. I have given you all information in the last class about the early humans we were talking about, isn't it? So I have given you links also. This time I'll give you the same links for early humans. Try to give a different link so that it can be explained in another way. I am also going to give you some notes. I'll make it on a document and I'll send it to you. Whatever I speak here, I'll type it down also and send it to you so that you can make notes. And please, I need feedbacks from you. You can please get in touch with our respected Chauhan sir and get included in the group if you are not there on the Hartford group. Request him and we can share messages. I'll get messages from you and according to that I will make it easier as and when you want, according to your convenience, and so that you can understand in a better way. I can break it down. See, sometimes I speak in my explanation types which you might not understand, it might go over your head, so I want to make sure that you understand. Okay, so if I don't get a feedback, so it's going to be an issue for me. So I'll be thinking that you're understanding, but at the end of the day I go blah 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 and you don't understand, so that does not make sense anywhere. So we have to have that communication, that fusion between you and between class 6 and Rollins, so that we can solve issues. And I am always there for you. I am 9 to 5, always at your service. I am your sevak, and you can ask me anything on God's creation regarding the subjects, and I'll go ahead and do it for you. So we were at our places of the prehistory period, like what were the early humans like. One basic small example I want to share with you. It was called the Stone Age. People were living in caves. Now we are living in homes. People were building a place with stones, a stone house. Now we are living in flats. There were rough stones. Now we have marble. They were sleeping on stones. Now we are sleeping in our room on tiles. We have polished stones. They were rough stones. So nothing is changed. Actually, we have just developed. Early humans had 2 hands, 2 legs. We also have that. See, that's the basic. We are just wanting to know how things were working and how things are working now. Tomorrow, how will it work? We don't know. So it's better to know about us from the past instead of knowing about the future. Future, we don't know what's going to happen. Okay. So prehistory about the humans is a period that begins with the appearance of the human being. If the human beings didn't come in, animals wouldn't have given us information about prehistory. So about 5 million years ago, 5 million years ago, and it finishes with the invention of writing about 6,000 years ago, and about 5 million years ago, and it comes and finishes 6,000 years ago when writing started. So that 5 million information we get about 6,000 years ago, it was written down when people started writing. Clear? It's a long period. I'll go slow because the way the speed which I speak, again it will go over your head. So it's a long period divided into 3 stages. 1, the Paleolithic age. 2nd, the Neolithic age. 3rd, the Metal age. Okay, what did I say? Prehistory is the period that begins with an appearance of the human being. Number 1. Number 2, about 5 million years ago, and till the 6,000 years ago when the writing invention comes, and it finishes when the writing invention started 6,000 years ago. So 5 million years ago and minus this 6,000 years, whatever is left, we come to get the information. It's a long period into 3 stages. What are the stages? Paleolithic, the Neolithic, and the Metal Age. 3 points. Okay. Basically, how people use the stone, we come to know. Okay. Paleolithic age, the 3 periods, the Paleolithic age or the Old Stone Age. Okay. Mesolithic or the Middle Stone Age, and Neolithic, the New Stone Age. Excuse me. Paleolithic, Old Stone Age, Mesolithic, the Middle Stone Age, and Neolithic, the New Stone Age. This era is marked by the use of tools by our early human ancestors who evolved, who were going around, or who generated themselves, or who got into nature, or who evolved means they grew, they were born 300,000 BC. And eventual transformation from a culture of hunting and gathering to farming and etc. 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 Okay. This is how we get the information. How humans lived before the written records. See, early beginnings can be like the Stone Age. The early beginnings can be traced back 4.5 billion years ago. But human evolution only counts for a tiny speck of its history. The prehistoric period, or when there was human life before records documented human activity, roughly dates from 2.5 million years ago to 1200 BC. It is generally categorized, as I said earlier just now, it's categorized in Stone Age, Bronze Age and Iron Age. The archaeological periods, from invention of tools made for hunting to advances in food production, then they started doing agriculture, to early examples of art and religion, the enormous time span ending roughly 3200 years ago. Dates vary, dates will vary from region to region. It was a period of great transformation if we take a closer look. So I don't want to go further, I don't want to put pressure onto you, so we'll just go in a very casual way. Like we'll come to a place where we'll come to know eventually transformation from a culture of hunting, they were only hunting and gathering food, to farming and food production. Now during this era, again I'll repeat it, during this era, early humans shared a planet with a number of now extinct hominin relatives, including Neanderthals and Denisovans. That I will tell you later. And this is the information I am going to take you through in the first part. Okay. Now what do we have in the Stone Age? We have to make sure. As I said, I have given you points. Like I told you, from gathering to hunting, they were gathering and hunting also. So you have to note down these things properly. If you don't note these down, then you, whatever I say, you will have no information about it. Isn't it? Okay. So I'll come back in the next video and I'll explain it to you. Okay. I'll be just back in the next video and I'll come back with your explanation of the Stone Age. Is it clear? See you in the next video.